How to remove Facebook Messenger from Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings and activity page of Instagram. So go ahead and tap on the account center option you see there and scroll down and you will see the option for accounts. Tap on that and further go ahead and navigate to the Facebook Messenger account that you want to remove from Instagram and then tap on the remove option you see there. You will then see the option for remove account. Tap on that and go through the guideline of what you will lose to once you remove the account and then tap on the continue button and finally tap on the yes finish removing button you see there, and with this the Facebook Messenger account will be removed. So this is how you can remove Facebook Messenger from Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.